Reporting to Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Caitlin Harvey, who is tracking all of our conditions outside on this Wednesday morning. Caitlin, you're starting off with some warm temperatures this morning.
That's right. Warm temperatures, clear skies, and good air quality. Not the worst combination for a morning start. We're still into the 60s as we work our way throughout parts of Jackson and Josephine counties. 64 degrees currently out at Grants Pass, 67 in Medford, 51 at Lake of the Woods, and ending out the upper 50s along the coast where we are watching some of that fog redevelop. This morning on into Siskiyou County, we're into the 50s and 60s as well. 60 degrees currently at Happy Camp and 51 degrees at Doris. And we're off to a pretty mild start throughout the Klamath Basin. 52 currently out at Klamath Falls, 48 at Lakeview, and a bit cooler up towards Chemult this morning at 45. You might need that jacket for northern Klamath County. Otherwise, air quality still remains good across the region. Roseburg all the way to Wairika, Cave Junction to Lakeview, all still in that good category. Otherwise, this afternoon, thanks to gusty winds as well as some very dry conditions, we're tracking a red flag warning going into effect at 2 p.m. lasting all the way until 9 o'clock tonight. This does include Klamath County, Western Lake County, Eastern Siskiyou County, and Modoc County, including the city of Klamath Falls. Again, extreme fire danger, critical fire danger. You'll need to exercise extreme caution around open flames. On top of that, we're also seeing the chance for some pop-up thunderstorms today, also into parts of Klamath and Lake counties, as well as for the Cascades. That main threat there going to be dry lightning, potentially gusty winds, and some small hail, but they do look very hit and miss. For those of us west of the Cascades, it's looking pretty good today with your dog walk forecast featuring CD sent in by Amanda Blake. We'll see plenty of sunshine for the first half of today, but increasing clouds and of course these gusty winds by this afternoon. 92 your high today in Medford. We're into the 60s thanks to the marine layer along the coast, dealing with more clouds and fog as we head into this afternoon. For Northern California, we're into the 80s and the 90s today. Expect mostly sunny skies and wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour. For the Klamath Basin, upper 80s and lower 90s today, another warm one. A stray thunderstorm could work its way on into parts of Klamath and Lake County, mainly for the northern reaches of the Klamath Basin, however. Chance of some pop-up thunderstorms this afternoon after about 4 p.m. for the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous. Otherwise, it's going to be a warm one with temperatures into the 80s and even the lower 90s. Upper 80s and lower 90s today throughout the Rogue Valley, tracking those wind gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Stormcast showing us dry here this morning, but watch what happens as we head into this afternoon. Still looking dry for the lunch hour around noon, but by again after 4 p.m. we're watching a few thunderstorms pop up in northern Klamath County. In fact, a little bit off to the east into Harney County. Eastern Lake County could see some of the action as well. We'll get a chance to dry out as we head into tonight, but another chance of storms works its way in for the weekend. Now coming up here this weekend, I am tracking a bigger storm system which could bring the chance for more storms even west of the Cascades and much cooler temperatures. In fact, take a look at Northern California. 95 your high today, but down to just 77 degrees for your high on Saturday. We'll watch cooler temperatures and more storm chances for the next several days throughout the Klamath Basin. 83 your high today for the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous. Chance of storms, though, for the next 4 days as temperatures fall into the 60s. 92 and dry today here in the Rogue Valley, but the weekend's looking cool and pretty damp, Kate.
Yeah, we're really going to see quite the switch going from super hot and dry and then to these potential isolated storms in a lot of different areas as we head through the rest of the week. So a lot to keep on top of.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Caitlin.